time for the next question. So next question says, consider the following code segment. We have to look into this code and then what is printed as a result of executing the code segment. So basically here we have to see what will be printed as the result of this code. So before we start and look at this code, we will try to discuss the concept of substring function. Well, what does substring function do? This substring function, it gives us a substring from any given string. Now, if you notice, this substring function is taking two forms. First one with the one parameter, second one with the two parameters. Okay, so let us now try to discuss the first one. So this first substring function is taking only one parameter, which tells us that we have to find a substring from any given string starting from the index mentioned over here and going on till the end of the string. While the substring function that takes two parameters will start or pick up a substring starting from this index mentioned here and going on till index which is mentioned here -1. All right. So let me explain you with the help of an example. Let me take an example elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Let me give the indexing as well. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So now let's say we have to apply the substring function on this string elephant. Now, taking this into consideration, substring within brackets 2 will give us the substring starting from here, index 2, going on till the end. So EPHANT will be the result of substring 2. Now let us look into the second form. Substring 0, 3 will give you a substring starting from the index 0 going on till 2. Why 2 and why not 3? Because this number is always excluded. Okay. So now let us try to evaluate this code. Let me first erase it all. All right. So now let me try to evaluate this code in detail. So what is happening over here? We have a string tomorrow. Let me try to write it down. Tomorrow. R-R-O-W. What will be the indexing? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what we are doing over here, we are trying to fetch the substring and the other things and trying to save in the word or the string update. Now let us try to pick up this original. So original is a string tomorrow. We are fetching the substring 2, which means we are trying to fetch the substring starting from index 2 going on till the end. So we have fetched morrow till now. Morrow. So that means the resultant string will start from morrow. Hence, we will eliminate option A, option B. Okay. Next, original.substring 0, 3. So from this string, we will fetch the string starting from 0 going on till 2. So which is Tom. Okay. Now, morrow Tom is a part of our resultant string. Now, since this E, option E is telling us morrow Tomo. Tomo, this O is not a part of our resultant string. So we will eliminate this option E. Now we are only left with option C and option D. Let's see. Original.index of row. What is this index of function doing over here? It will give you the index of the substring row, the starting index of the substring row. Now what is it? 5. Okay, so it is 5. we will concatenate the entire string and we will find it out. Tomorrow, Tom 5 is the answer, which is mentioned in option C.